throw me a softball. I mean, for transparency, I work for a clinical trial intelligence platform vendor. So, but in all honesty, in my experience, I've used homegrown solutions before, homegrown CTMSs. I'm a Tableau user, so I've used Tableau as an ETL to join data sources for reporting purposes. And of course, I've used off-the-shelf solutions. I mean, to keep this short, I mean, say what you want about CROs and vendors in general, but really, I mean, we bring and legitimately build an expertise around so many requirements. If you build something yourself, you have an N of one company's requirements. So like when you go to a CRO to manage just a trial, they've seen everything. When you go to any type of technology vendor, some leaders in the space, they've seen everything too. They work across various sizes of companies, all therapeutic areas, all technology data sources. They have interfaces, APIs built. So really, for me, and the gap is just growing exponentially when we talk about DCTs. It's one thing to cobble like some CTMS together or provide a Tableau visualization of performance, but it's another thing to entirely to start aggregating data from dozens of sources for one trial, and just think of that at the asset level, at the portfolio level. So these things have been done. There's companies that are experts in this area, and none of them are biotech or pharma. I mean, they're just not. They don't employ UX, UI people, data scientists, DevOps, engineering. There's just a cadre of folks that are employed at these companies to make solutions that are valuable to customers. And I don't want to make this too salesy, because so head of customer success, really my one job, the only reason why my group exists is to define, create, and sustain value for customers. That's it. If we don't do that, we fail. So providing a solution that doesn't add value is worthless. It's a waste of time for both parties, and it's something that we just won't do. And one other benefit, I think that's often overlooked, I mean, you see it all the time when you update your iPhone, is releases. I mean, there's like but wait, there's more component of these solutions, and they're always iterating based on customer feedback, new features. Where homegrown systems, obviously, and there's always going to be bugs, right? But homegrown systems have predominantly been buggy. And by the time they actually figure out what's going on, these technology vendors they've addressed this problem years ago. So I know this is it's a biased answer, but I mean, it's really colored by my experience on both sides.